guys, Jessi Malay here and welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited because today I'm partnering with one of my favorite beauty brands growing up, COVERGIRL, to create this soft daytime look, very quick, good for girls on the go, good for new mamas, using COVERGIRL's Melting Pout Matte Lipstick. And then I'm going to show you how to kick it up a notch and create an all-over, really sexy, metallic day to night look using COVERGIRL's Melting Pout Glitz. Life has been a little crazy these past 2 months. I just gave birth about 8 weeks ago, I told you in the last video, and I have had to switch up my beauty routines like crazy. It's all about how to get it done, but how to still feel like myself, feel my best, still make a great impression. So I want to look good both during the day and at night. So I've come up with this really easy look that I've got on right now. This literally takes me 5 minutes flat. I'm using all COVERGIRL products. So I'm going to show you how to create this look. It's really kind of, I think it's subtle, but the eyes still pop. The lip is still pouty but soft. And then tomorrow is actually my husband's birthday, so tonight we're going out on a little secret date night after I shoot this video. So I'm gonna add, like I said, the metallic glitz to my eyes and lips to create a really just kind of flirty, sexy look. Something fun and birthday appropriate. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by prepping my skin, and I'm using the new Vitalist Go Glow Lotion. And it's really, really pretty under my foundation because it just gives you that natural glow from within look. And I'm gonna go ahead and put it all over my face. This one is a bit tinted too, so it kind of gives me like a nice vacation kind of look. Don't forget your neck, very important. Next, I'm gonna use the COVERGIRL truBlend Liquid Foundation, and I'm using Soft Honey. Then I'm going to use just a bit of the COVERGIRL Vitalist Healthy Powder, but just in the areas that get extra oily, like my forehead, nose, tops of my cheeks, basically the T-zone. I'm going to go in with a bit of concealer. And can we just talk about the packaging for a second? I think COVERGIRL's new product and packaging is so chic. I just love how it's very sleek, very simple, black and white. I love the whole Vitalist Healthy line. It actually feels really, really good on my skin. Moisturizing, it doesn't feel too cakey. It looks natural enough in person. I'm loving it. I also love this concealer because the application brush is so convenient. I can just take this on the go, reapply. I don't need to bring a little brush with me. I love it. And then I kind of just like blend it in with my fingertips. I also like to put a bit on the tops of my lids too. Kind of helps the eyeshadow set nicely. And this concealer is so necessary right now because with the baby, we're still not getting that much sleep, so my dark circles are so real. Much better. Next, I'm going to go in with the Vitalist Healthy Glow Highlighter, and this is a really pretty creamy golden color. I just apply a little bit with my fingertip like this, right to the tops of my cheekbones. I really love how it gives a natural, healthy daytime glow. That is super pretty. I love that. Just a bit under my brows. Tip of my nose, chin, Cupid's bow. Okay, now we're ready to start on the eyes. I really want to do something a bit dramatic, a bit smoky, even for the daytime. So I'm going to definitely start off with this lid primer, COVERGIRL's Lid Lock Up. And it's great because it keeps your shadow in place all day long, which is especially important when doing heavier looks on the eyes. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Smoky palette on my eyes, and it's really nice because there's a really great range of colors, and you can really build up from a subtle smoky look during the day to a heavy metallic dramatic smoky look for night. So we're gonna start here with the lightest, whitest matte shade and apply that just to the lower lid. Next, we're gonna take this really pretty soft matte gray color, and we're gonna use that in the crease. Because all of these shades are pretty pigmented, I'm gonna go in with this really soft bristly brush to make sure that everything's really nicely blended. Next, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Get In Line Liquid Liner just on the upper lash line to elongate my eyes. What I really love about this eyeliner too is that the brush is just super, super fine and slim, so you can get in and really do just like a very delicate eyeliner, which I really like, especially when going heavier on eyeshadow and lipstick, which will come next. We're gonna curl the lashes, and then we're gonna go in with this secret weapon, CoverGirl's LashBlast Volume Mascara. This stuff is just incredible because it really makes your eyes pop. It's got a very thick wand, but really fine, tiny little bristles, so you can really go in and get all the little lashes on the inner corners of your eyes, on the outer corners, and really just expand your eyes. Okay, so now we have a soft but dramatic eye look for daytime, and we're gonna go in with the CoverGirl truBlend bronzer. I am obsessed with this because it's just like the nicest, glowiest shade, and you can kind of just go in and warm up your entire face with it. I also love that it's dark enough to create a really nice contour, but has a good amount of shimmer in it too, so it looks really just glowy and nice for daytime. Last step before lips, I'm gonna go in with the CoverGirl truBlend blush, and this is also just a really pretty light shade of pink, and I'm gonna apply that just to the apples of my cheeks. Now for lips. So I'm gonna start off with the Farewell Feathering Lip Liner. This is really cool because it's clear. It's a lip liner that goes on clear, and it just prevents your lipstick from bleeding out. So this is amazing and a lifesaver, so you don't have to think about retouching your lipstick all day long. I love it. And now to really complete the look, this is my go-to lip color for daytime right now. It's CoverGirl's Melting Pout Matte lipstick in Current Nude. It's a really beautiful, soft nude shade. And what's great about it is it goes on really smooth and soft, and then locks in and doesn't move all day. And there we go. I love this lip color. It's just really nice and soft for daytime. It's matte, but it doesn't look like chalky, stiff lipstick. It just blends really nicely with your natural skin tone, and I just love it. Okay, so now I think we've nailed this soft daytime look. It's really glowy skin, soft smoky eyes, and a nude pouty lip. I'm gonna really kick it up for night now. So we're gonna go back in and use the Smoky palette, but now I'm gonna go in with some of the darker shades. Once again, I'm gonna take this fluffy brush because for more pigmented shadow, I just really like this. It just really helps blend everything in. And since we're doing a very metallic look, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this very metallic gunmetal shade, and I'm gonna use that right in the center of my lid. Then I'm gonna go in with this very dark matte slate shade, and I'm gonna hit the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm gonna go in with this very, very slim liner brush and use that darkest shade again and just line a bit underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna go in and also darken up my lips so this can be, like I said, a really dramatic, sexy, glitzy date night look. So I'm gonna go in and use CoverGirl's Melting Pout Lip again. This shade is Back Talk. And last and final step, CoverGirl Melting Pout Glitz. And this is the secret weapon that's gonna give me that really cool heavy metal look. What I really love about this too is you can use it not only on your lips but also on your eyes. Okay, so this is a look I am obsessed with, kind of a glossy, heavy metal vibe, and we're seeing this a lot on the runways right now. I think I first saw it on Bella Hadid and fell in love with it. So this is a really wearable version, and this is really the secret weapon and the trick for achieving the look. So as you can see, I got a really kind of dark, smoky, metallic-y, but glossy lid, and a dark, glossy, sultry lip. Okay, you guys, I hope you like this tutorial. Two very completely opposite different looks. A really healthy, glowy, warm look for daytime, and a really glossy, dramatic, heavy metal look for night. I'm gonna go get ready for my date. I'm wearing sweatpants on the bottom right now, so I'm gonna go change. I think G deserves better than sweatpants on his birthday, right? All right, you guys, so if you have any questions, please be sure to ask in the comments below. I'm gonna be sure and answer as many as possible. I'll definitely list all of the products I used today in the description box. Thank you again, CoverGirl, for partnering with me on this video, and I will see you guys next time.